All right, so I got my trout, Ziploc bag, some paper towels, some Doc Bronner's all natural soap, great big rock to scale and gut the fish, and running water. And look at there, I even got a spigot. Let's get it done. Another advantage of these LT knives with these sharp spines, they work as a fish scaler too. Cut the anus right in front of the tail fin. Remove that. Do a split from there all the way up underneath the neck. Remove the entrails. Get that little air bubble on the inside right there. Clean that out good. Get it clean all the way down to the backbone because there's blood in there that needs to be cleaned out. And that's what I'm talking about right there. All of this area in here. You want to clean it all the way down to the backbone. Now, for me, I'm going to take the heads off. Put that down there. And now we'll give this a quick wash in the stream. There's one mountain clean fish ready to go into Ziploc bag. So you take your fish, scale it, 90-degree spine or a fish scaler or a spoon, but 90-degree spine on the back of your LT right knife will work just fine. Make pretty quick work of this. They're fresh, so the scales are coming off very easily. Trout scale pretty easy anyway. A more gently fish, you might say. Just checking it over. Making sure I get it all the way up to the top of the head and in between the fins. Notice you can use the sharpened side of the knife too. Just don't cut into it, just use it like a scraper. All right, good enough. And give that a little rinse. All right, at the bottom of the fish, right here in front of the anal fin, I'm gonna cut the anus. Cut that out. Then we're going to split the belly from the anal fin all the way up to underneath the lip. Open that up. Remove the entrails. Put that in our Ziploc bag. And on the inside of the fish right here, we need to scrape that, because underneath that is where all of that blood is. We want to get that out and then wash it real good. Get all of that blood out of there. This is hard one-handed. All right, all clean. Same thing as before, we'll remove the head. Put that in our trash bag. And this one's ready to go into our Ziploc too. All right, wash up our knife. One of our paper towels. Dry that off real good. It is high carbon steel. Put that back in there. Wash our hands. Packed it in, we'll pack it out. All right, that was kind of hard to show you all down there, but here's our fish all wrapped up in our Ziploc bag. Here's our trash, and inside of that are the heads, the guts, and the paper towels that we use. We'll tie that up and dispose of it in the first trash can that we come to. Until then, it's going to live inside the bucket in the inside of the refrigerator in the truck. Let's get on down the trail.